In today's video, we will discuss about the taxonomic aids very important to the horticulture, the forestry and industry. The taxonomic aids are used to identify, describe, compare, research several organisms. They are also used as an entertainment or knowledge. They also serve entertainment or knowledge purposes. These taxonomic aids are implied or they are used upon the living or dead organisms. Now coming to some of the aids that we use on the living organisms. One is the zoological gardens. The zoological gardens are the places where the living animals are kept in their natural habitats. The purpose why we keep them in their natural habitats is because we want to study and observe their life cycles, how they move around, what are their food habits, their breeding habits, their social habits, their social behavior. All this we have to study. It is very important to preserve the species. So unless and until we study them, how will we be able to preserve them for posterity? So the zoological gardens are those places where these animals are kept in their natural habitats. For the plants, we have the botanical gardens. For the living plants, the botanical gardens, they are planted all the species of plants known to us, the most important ones, especially the extinct ones about the risk of extinction, they're all planted and preserved in botanical gardens. And some of the well-known botanical gardens are Indian Botanical Gardens in Kolkata, the National Botanical Research Institute in Lucknow, and a Royal Botanical Garden in Kew, London. These are the three remarkable botanical gardens. Now these zoological and botanical gardens are meant for the live plants and animals. There are now some more resources we have where we preserve the dead plants and animals. For the dead animals, we have the museums. Museums where the dead animals, they are preserved for observation purposes. The animals, they can be preserved in a preservative solution, or they can be stuffed. Bigger ones especially are stuffed. Insects, they are killed, pinned in insect boxes where we can study them. So these are the museums where, and also the museums are the places where the bones, the skeleton, their teeth, and many other parts of these animals are kept for references. So museums for the plants. Now we are having the herbariums on a similar scale. The herbariums. What happens in herbariums is that a herbarium sheet is prepared. The plant that is collected is dried, and with 0% water, this plant is pasted on the herbarium sheet. 0% water it is having, and in the right hand lower corner, the several details of this plant are noted down. These details can consist of date of collection, the place where this plant was collected, the local name, the scientific name, the name of a scientist studying this particular specimen, and several other details, important details are noted down here. And all the herbarium sheets in the herbarium, they are all filed together in the taxonomic categories, the taxonomic hierarchy, like the kingdom, division, class, order, family, genus, species. In the taxonomic hierarchy, these herbarium sheets are filed. These herbariums, they are very, very important to forestry, to horticulturists, to agriculturists. The herbariums are a very vital source of information. Now, some more taxonomic aids are that we can look into for they are very useful ones are the keys. Now the keys, they consist of a couplet. Now what is a couplet? Couplet is a set of statements. Now suppose these are the set of statements of a couplet. Statement, this is statement A, this is statement B. What you have to do is to choose either of the two statements. These both statements, they are called the leads. Now the lead that you choose, A or B, it further leads to another couplet. And suppose now this time, this is a couplet 1, this is a couplet 2. Now again you choose either of the two, and this process leads to the final, this process will lead to identification of the specimen. So keys are a source of identification. So they are also a very important taxonomic aid. More taxonomic aids are the use of catalogs. The catalogs, they consist of an index. The index where the several details about the specimen are noted down. The monographs. The monographs also, they are just like catalogs, except that they refer to only one taxon. Another one is the flora. The flora is a taxonomic aid which consists of an index and details about the specimen in a particular habitat or a particular geographical location. So the flora, as a name suggests, is used for the plants. So these were all the taxonomic aids, and all these are extremely useful for studies.